Hello everyone, I hope you've all had a fantastic week and thank you for sending in those videos. Special thanks to Z Chow, Daniel, Ethan, Kenny, Yi, Yolanda, Yvette and Zoe for completing last week's fruit salad challenge. Okay, so this week's challenge is called the Avant-garde challenge. Avant-garde means something new and experimental, and avant-garde music can be really weird. So in avant-garde music, the music that you use to make the music is just as important as the music itself. For example, have a look at John Cage's piece, 4 minutes 33 seconds on YouTube. In order to complete the challenge, you'll have to create an avant-garde piece of music and explain it to me. Explain how you compose that music, what you did to make that music, and send me a video no longer than 1 minute in length by Saturday evening. And the piece that you create can be very strange and experimental, and it can be just as weird as you want. It doesn't even need to sound good, okay? So good luck, and I'll give you some examples at the end, and I look forward to seeing what weird music you guys come up with. Here are some ideas you can use to get started on making some avant-garde music. I've got here the words practice piano, something that I encourage everyone to do. And I'm going to turn it into music by using this over here. Okay, P is over here and it's under the column where B is. So when I see a P, I'm going to play the notes B. So the next letter is an R. Okay, R's under the column where D is. I'm going to play a D there. A would just be A. C would just be C. So now I've got a little melody that I can play. I've got an 8-sided dice, so I've written out the numbers 1 to 8, and I can choose 8 notes, 8 keys of the piano. What should I choose? I could just go with a C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or I could go with any other scale, but I think I might go for random notes. So I'm going to close my eyes, choose a note. That was a G, that can be 1. Choose another random note. Whoop, an E. Then you roll the die. Oh, a 5. Okay, let me get another one. I'll say that's a 1. Then you can match up the numbers to the notes. So 5 I said would be F sharp, 1 would be G, 8 would be A flat. Now let's see what it sounds like. Wow, that sounds very funky. What if I played it backwards? So reading the notes backwards. Let's see what happens. Or what if I played it upside down? Okay, let's see what this would give us. Sounds a bit weird, hey? But that's okay. Avant-garde music can sound as weird as you like. Or what if you took the same piece, cut it up into little bits, and rearrange them in a random order? Of course, if you're going to do this, please photocopy the music first. Let's see what it sounds like. If you like that cut and paste idea, you could take it to the next level by finding 2 pieces with the same key and time signature preferably, and cutting them up and mixing them together. For example, I've got 2 short exercises here. And the second one has a different rhythm. Now, as you can see, I've cut and pasted bits from those 2 pieces, and I've tried to put them in an order so they can sound nice. Let's hear. A slightly trickier thing you could do is to try and make some serialist music. This is where we make different series or rows of pitches. So first we want to put the 12 pitches of the chromatic scale in an order. It could be a random order or you could choose what order you put them in. So this is the order I've chosen. Now this is actually this series but written backwards, you see? G, A, F sharp, D. And this series is the original series but written a semitone or half step higher. So D in the original becomes G sharp, F in the original becomes F sharp, half step up. And once you've written these, you can try and play them together in combination. This could be a bit tricky though. Let's have a go. I'm going to try and play this series and this series. This top one, the original series, in my right hand and the bottom one in my left hand. Let's see.